Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft on KBM Full Guide. Start by opening settings and customizing controls to match your dominant hand and play style. Next, tweak mouse sensitivity until camera motion feels natural for block placement and combat. Practice basic movements like sprinting, crouching, and jumping while strafing. I will demonstrate keybind choices, aiming tips, and how to build muscle memory for quicker creative and survival gameplay. Warm up your fingers with short drills that combine movement and attack patterns. Focus on strafing while tracking targets and building quick cover during skirmishes. Bind essential building blocks to side keys for faster placement and toggle crouch for precision. Work on mouse, flicks for bow shots, and smooth turns for block breaking. These small habits lead to big improvements in both creative builds and heated survival encounters over time. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep so I can focus on gaming without worrying about spills in my bag, and they make healthy snacks easy between sessions. They seal tightly and stack well for fridge storage, which saves time during long play days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check your hardware settings before jumping into a match to avoid bad habits. Choose a DPI and in-game sensitivity that let you comfortably look around and hit targets without excessive hand movement. Test key rollover and anti-ghosting so combos never drop during intense moments. Try increasing FOV slightly to spot opponents earlier, and consider a comfortable mousepad to stabilize swipes. Small tweaks here make a huge gameplay difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.